Presenting Speak English, a course in spoken English. Unit 1. How do you do? Conversation openers. Listen to this conversation. Note how you begin a conversation with somebody you meet for the first time. At the school playground.
Hello, I don't think we've met. Let me introduce myself. My name is Raj. I am from 4B.
Good morning. My name is Sunny. I am from 4F.
Are you new here?
Yes, I'm a new student.
Do you like the school?
Yes, it's really nice.
There's the bell. We must go now. It was so good to meet you, Sunny.
Good to meet you too. I hope to see you again.